Dollylocks Professional Organic Dreadlocks Shampoo Bar. Rejuvenating, hypoallergenic, and pH balance. This protein-rich shampoo bar helps soothe scalp irritations while repairing and improving hair elasticity. It's weightless and residue-free. It's also invigorating and will leave your dreadlocks renewed, refreshed, and squeaky clean. It works exceptionally well as an all-purpose body bar as well. This bar is quite unique considering one of the main ingredients is natural Hawaiian sea salt, which contains essential minerals and helps detoxify, clarifying the hair to purge impurities, yet it is a deep and gentle cleanser. It's available in coconut lime grapefruit, tea tree spearmint, rosemary peppermint, and nog champa. To use this bar, you're going to simply wet your hair, wet the bar, rub it directly onto the scalp, washing and rinsing the hair 2 to 3 times depending upon how often you wash your hair.